In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all messages on Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up Facebook Messenger application. And then if we get into some conversation, we can first off remove a particular message. If we would like to remove a message, we need just to long press on it. Tap it more, and then tap at remove. Remove for you, and then remove again. That's how we can easily remove a message from our recipient, and in the same way we can remove our own message. However, instead of delete, we need to tap it on send, and then we'll be able to choose whether you would like to unsend it just for you or for everyone. Our own messages we can delete, even from that receipt. Bans conversation by hitting an unsend for everyone just like that. As you can see now, it says you unsend a message. However, if you would like to delete all the messages in that conversation, you need to go back to chats, and then all you have to do is just swipe to that left. Tap add more, and then tap add delete. You will be asked, are you sure you would like to delete this entire conversation to continue? Tap add delete. If you would like to delete all that conversations from your chats list. Unfortunately, there is no option to do that in one single tweet. However, you can easily do so by deleting all the conversations, one by one in the way I just showed you. Just swipe to the left, tap it more delete, and then delete again. That's how you can easily delete all messages on Messenger.